Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Pamar. Hey, I have been thinking about moving to a new apartment.
That's exciting. What prompted the decision?
I am feeling a bit cramped in my current place and I think it's time for a change of scenery.
I totally get that. What are you looking for in your new place?
Ideally, something with more natural light and maybe a balcony.
Sounds nice. Have you started your search yet?
Yeah, I have been browsing online, but it's overwhelming. There are so many options out there.
I can help you narrow down the options if you want. What's your budget and preferred location?
That would be amazing. My budget is around 2000 rupees a month, and I'm hoping to stay within a 20-minute commute to work.
Got it. Let's start looking together. We will find the perfect place for you in no time.
Hi, I'm interested in renting the apartment you have listed.
Great. I would be happy to show it to you. When are you thinking of moving in?
I'm hoping to move in by the end of next month, if possible.
That should work. Just to confirm, how many bedrooms are you looking for?
I'm looking for a 2-bedroom apartment.
Okay, let's schedule a time for you to come see the apartment, and we can discuss the lease details.
Sounds good, thank you.
No problem, looking forward to meeting you.
Hi, we are here to meet with you about the apartment you have available for rent.
It's great to finally meet you in person.
Thank you for having us. We're excited to see the place.
Of course. Let me show you around. Here is the living room. And over here is the kitchen.
Wow, this looks great. How many bedrooms does the apartment have?
It's a 2-bedroom apartment. Let me show you the bedrooms. Follow me.
Thank you. We are really interested in renting this place.
Wonderful. Before we proceed, let's go over a few important things regarding your lease agreement. Have you had a chance to review it?
Yes, I have looked it over, but it would be helpful to go through it together.
Of course. Let's start with the rent amount and due date. Your monthly rent is 4,000, and it's due on the 5th of each month. We typically accept payments through bank transfer. Is that method convenient for you?
Yes, that works for me. What about utilities?
Utilities such as water and trash are included in your rent. However, you'll be responsible for electricity and internet.
Okay, that makes sense.
Additionally, I would like to remind you of some property rules and regulations. We have a no smoking policy indoors, and pets are not allowed without prior approval. Also, please be mindful of noise levels, especially during late hours.
Absolutely, I understand.
Great. Lastly, let me know if there is anything else you need assistance with. I want to make sure your transition into your new home goes smoothly.
Will do. Thanks again for your help. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel.